step into the Ram 2020 1500 Laramie. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include ParkSense front-rear park assist with STOP, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 75, gross vehicle weight, 7,100 pounds, 3.92 rear axle ratio, wheels, 20-inch x 9 inches premium painted with inserts, monotone paint, black leather trimmed bucket seats included, bucket seats full-length upgraded floor console, Laramie Level 1 equipment group included, remote tailgate release auto high beam headlamp control blind spot and cross path detection rain sensitive windshield wipers ParkSense front rear park assist with stop tailgate ajar warning lamp foam bottle insert, door trim panel, rear 60/40 folding split recline seat and engine, 5.7 LV8 HEMA MDS VVTe torque included, active noise control system heavy duty